In today's fast-paced world, mental well-being is more crucial than ever. Negative thoughts can weigh us down, affecting our happiness and overall quality of life. Buddhism offers profound insights into overcoming these mental barriers, emphasizing the importance of mindfulness and compassion. By understanding the nature of our thoughts, we can learn to let go of negativity and embrace a more peaceful mindset. This transformative process not only enhances our mental health, but also fosters a deeper connection with ourselves and others. Join us as we explore how letting go can lead to a more fulfilling and joyful life. Negative thoughts are persistent, often irrational beliefs that can cloud our judgment and affect our emotions. They may manifest as self-doubt, fear, or pessimism, creating a cycle that can be hard to break. Holding on to these thoughts can lead to anxiety, depression, and a diminished sense of self-worth. The psychological effects can be profound, impacting our relationships and overall happiness. However, mindfulness offers a powerful tool for awareness, allowing us to observe these thoughts without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, we can create space between ourselves and our negativity, paving the way for a more positive and balanced mindset. Buddhism teaches that thoughts are not fixed entities, but rather fleeting phenomena that arise and pass away. Central to this understanding is the concept of anatta, or non-self, which suggests that our thoughts do not define who we are. Instead of viewing them as permanent truths, Buddhism encourages us to recognize their transient nature. This perspective fosters a sense of detachment, allowing us to observe our thoughts without becoming entangled in them. By practicing this detachment, we can cultivate a more peaceful mind, reducing the impact of negative thoughts and embracing a more liberated way of being. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can significantly help in releasing negative thoughts. Simple exercises, such as mindful breathing or body scans, can ground you in the present moment, making it easier to observe your thoughts without judgment. Meditation plays a crucial role in cultivating a peaceful mind, allowing you to create a space where negativity can dissolve. Start with just a few minutes each day, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable. Establishing a regular meditation routine can enhance your mental clarity and emotional resilience, empowering you to let go of negativity and embrace a more positive outlook on life. Compassion plays a vital role in letting go of negativity, starting with how we treat ourselves. When we practice self-compassion, we create a nurturing environment that alleviates harsh self-criticism and negative thoughts. One effective way to cultivate this compassion is through loving-kindness meditation, where you focus on sending goodwill and kindness to yourself and others. This practice not only fosters a sense of inner peace, but also helps to dissolve feelings of resentment and negativity. By extending compassion towards others, we strengthen our connections and create a more supportive community, ultimately enhancing our own mental well-being. Letting go of negative thoughts requires actionable steps that can lead to meaningful change. Start by encouraging journaling, which allows you to process your feelings and release negativity onto the page. Reflecting on your thoughts can provide clarity and insight. Additionally, engage in activities that promote joy and positivity, such as spending time in nature, practicing a hobby, or connecting with loved ones. These experiences can uplift your spirit and shift your mindset. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek support from community or spiritual groups. Sharing your journey with others can provide encouragement and foster a sense of belonging, making the process easier. In summary, letting go of negative thoughts is essential for achieving mental well-being and inner peace. By embracing mindfulness and compassion, we can transform our relationship with our thoughts, allowing us to live more fully in the present. Remember, practicing techniques like meditation and loving kindness can significantly enhance your emotional resilience. If you found this discussion helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content, and together, we can foster a community focused on positivity and growth.